If you want to change background in messages on the Samsung Galaxy A37, then unfortunately you cannot do that with Google Messages. So if you really want to change the background, the appearance of the background for your messages, then you need to use a different messaging app. For example, if we go to the Galaxy Store, in here we should be able to find Samsung Messages app. So we can search for Samsung Messages. There we go. And then this is the app that we can use, and it allows you to change the background. So let's install it. I'm gonna show you how to set it up. It is pretty simple, and of course how to change the background with this app. So we're gonna open it. There we go. We need to grant all the necessary permissions. We need to tap on OK over here, and we need to switch from Google Messages to this new Samsung Messages app. And we want to tap Set as Default. Now over here, if you start a conversation with someone, so let me just quickly choose someone over here. There we go, I'm gonna send an example message over here, there we go. And then we should be able to tap on these three dots that we have in the upper right corner. So once you open the chat here in the upper right corner, you can find three dots. And we have Customize Chat Room. Now we can just simply choose one of these available colors, or you can just choose an image from your gallery. So if you want to, you can use a custom image, and that is going to work as well. You can adjust the bubble opacity, we can adjust the text contrast as well. You can also apply the customized chat room for every chat room that you have available, for all chat rooms, or you can just set it up for this individual one. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.